Welcome to the kit review of the 172 scale M142 HIMARS from Meng. It's a small kit, so the review will be a short one. The box art is beautifully designed and I really like it. The back of the packaging shows the color scheme and you can find the recommended colors on the side of the box again. The box opens sideways and you will find all the sprues and instructions packaged in a plastic bag. Here we have already unpacked everything and are continuing with the assembly instructions. The instructions are not in color, but they are very well designed. The building steps are clearly separated and easy to follow. Of course you can deviate from the assembly order to make painting easier, but the instructions are still very good. Please keep the packaging for color information in the paint scheme. Let's move on to the decals, tires and clear parts. The decals are very small and most of them go in the launcher unit. The quality is good. I'm not a fan of rubber tires in this scale, but the tread looks very good. Lettering on the outside of the tires would have been nice, but they are okay. The small clear parts correspond to the very good kit quality and fit very well. Now let's move on to the plastic parts, and this is where the kit really shines. Meng impresses here with very precise details. Fine rivets and bolts as well as sharp recessed panel lines are very convincing. Having built the kit, I can also report positively on the fit. You have to work very precisely, as the tolerances are very tight, especially after painting. Cutting off the parts with a sharp nipper and lightly cleaning them is sufficient. No fillers required. As an option, the launcher unit can be displayed retracted or extended in firing position. Overall, the kit impresses with its high quality and a manageable number of parts, which leads to quick success when building the model. Whether you want to build something small in between or have a bit more time to invest, the kit is recommended for both beginners and advanced model builders. The price is also fair, so this won't be my last Meng kit in this scale. Thanks for watching this short review and feel free to watch the full build video on my channel if you like. Until next time, goodbye.